I'm Dr. Scott Boden. I'm with the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut. And my practice is dedicated full-time to the treatment of hair loss for men and women. A little background, I started my medical career as an emergency physician, was cognizant of my own hair loss, and ultimately redirected my whole career, pursued an advanced fellowship specifically dedicated to the treatment of hair loss and hair transplant surgery. I completed an advanced surgical training fellowship that was accredited by the International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery. I've dedicated my practice full-time to the treatment of hair loss, and I've been involved in research. I've been involved actively in teaching other doctors interested in the treatment of hair loss. I am the past president of the American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery. I'm a diplomate of that board. I'm also a fellow of the International Society of Hair Restoration Surgeons, and I feel that that's an important credential indicating my commitment to the field. In my practice here in Hartford, Connecticut, we do both linear extraction and follicular unit excision, and we offer what's best for each patient. Every single patient that comes in is treated with utmost respect and confidentiality, and my goal is to accomplish the best results for every patient. I'm a strong advocate for the benefit of medical therapy, typically to be used in conjunction with transplantation. And the medical therapy involves combination therapy, sometimes topical, sometimes oral medications. And we are also providing injectable therapies and regenerative medical therapies, platelet-rich plasma involving body's own growth factors, and also exogenous growth factors known as exosomes. The field of hair transplantation is evolving in a very exciting way. I'm happy to be part of it.